to be a little lost, stuck inside my own head. Then you walked across the room and everything lit up instead.